Hi friends, my name is Harshita Kishore Valle. I have completed BENTC in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's date it is 5th January 2022 and today's Viva topic is garbage collections. The garbage collections is the basic concepts of an object oriented programming language, and the garbage collectors is the use of a Java programming language. The garbage collectors means of an open it is a use of an unreference of an open object, and the garbage collections is a use of an use garbage collections is the use of reuse of the pen removes of an automatically run of the pen applications. The garbage of an collections is the use of an Java open virtuals open machines using Java virtuals machines. We were performs open two open operations. First one operations is the open CA and the second one is the open C++. But Java open garbage collections is the performs of the open automatically open operations, and the Java open garbage collections is the better of a memory management. So it is of a Java open garbage collections. After that it is open advantages. The Java open garbage open collections is the open better of the open memory management, and this open memory management by using sub memory open management of an automatically by the open heap of the open memory. This is the first of the open advantages, and the second open advantages is the garbage open collections is the reuse of the open reuse of an memory of an reuse of the open reuse of the open memory, and then use of the open automatically performs of the open operations. And this is the open advantages of the open advantages of the open memory open advantages of the open garbage collections. After that it is the garbage collections open methods. There are two methods of a garbage collection. First one it is in a finalized method, and the second one it is in a GC method. The first method it is of a finalize of the pen method. The finalize of pen methods is a use of the pen cleanup of the pen processing. So use of the pen finalize of pen methods. And the second methods it is in a GC of pen methods. GC methods means open a garbage of the open collections, and GC methods is use of the open garbage of open collections of an automatically open performs of the open operations. And this open GC open method it is also of the open cleanup of the open processing, and it is the open runtimes and it is the performs open runtimes of the open applications of an classes, and this is the open methods. What is the uses of an garbage of an collection? Say there are garbage of an collectors use of the open unnecessary of an removes of an object. Say, and this open garbage collectors is also used of an computers of an science. And open garbage of a collectors is use of the pen reference or reference of the pen reference of the removes of the pen unnecessary open objects, removes open objects, and this open garbage garbage of the pen collections is the pen reference open automatically open run of this application. So it is use of the pen run it is use of the pen garbage open collections, and this open garbage open collections is use of the open Java virtual open machines, and this is use of the open garbage open collections. After that the types, there are open garbage collections of four open types. First one it is the open it is open parallel open serial open garbage collection से second one it is in a parallel open garbage collection से third one it is in an it is the third one is the open it is a concurrent of the open garbage collection से and the fourth one it is in a garbage open first it is the open fourth of the types of open garbage collection से and this open four types of the open garbage collections it depends on the open memory of an management of an and this use of an automatically of the memory management and these of the four open garbage collectors use of a Java virtual open machine से and this open mechanisms is depends and this open four types of the open mechanisms is depends on the open garbage collection से and this open garbage collectors is use of an removes of the open unreference open objects से and so it is of a use of the open garbage open collections and this open garbage collections every open garbage collection performs of the open different open operations so it is the open uses of open garbage collections and this is the methods of open types of open garbage collections that's all thank you.